Hi, Dad. I am coming home now.
Okay, Ben. Be careful.
Don't worry, I will be home soon. What is that sound? Is someone crying? Wait, I hear a puppy. Oh no! Little puppy, are you lost? Don't be afraid, I am your friend. You look thirsty. Here is some water. Drink slowly. Good boy. Come with me. My family will help you. Everything will be okay. Oh my! Where did you find this puppy? I found him near the bushes.
He is so cute!
Is he lost?
I think so. He must be hungry.
I will get his bowl.
Good idea.
Eat, little puppy.
Woof!
Excuse me. Is this your puppy?
No. I have never seen him.
Thank you.
Let's make a poster.
Yes.
I will draw the puppy.
I will write Lost Puppy Found.
Put one here.
Okay.
Maybe someone will see it.
I hope so.
Catch the ball! Woof! Woof!
Good job.
He is very happy now. Hello? Hello? I saw your poster. I think that is my puppy. Really? Yes. Please come to our house. Charlie!
Woof! Woof! Woof!
Oh, I missed you so much.
He is very happy.
Thank you for helping my puppy.
You're welcome.
We are happy to help.
He is safe now. This is for you.
Thank you.
You are a kind boy.
I will always help animals. Goodbye, Charlie.
Thank you again.
We will miss you.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Kindness is important.
Yes, Mom.
Today was special.
Yes. Helping others is always good.
I will remember that. I am happy.
Me too.
Today was a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Woof! Woof!